Do you own a home here in the Jacksonville market that you're looking to sell as soon as possible? If you are looking to sell, I'm looking to purchase. I don't care if the market's bad right now. I don't care what condition it's in. I don't care if it's a mobile home, land, nice home, rental property, multi-unit property. I'd like to buy it. Listen, the market's changing right now. Interest rates are going up, values are going down, and who knows where this market is going. The great thing is with me, if I buy your house, you get to choose the closing date. You don't have to clean. You can leave items behind. You don't have to worry about any of the stuff that you typically would go through if you listed with a real estate agent. And the great thing is I'm using cash. There's no banks. Now, I will ask for some equity in exchange for a quick and painless sale. And what I mean by that is I can't pay retail, especially in this market. So if you feel like you need to sell your home and you can give a little bit of equity with the sale, then I'm your buyer. In order to work with me as your buyer, I need two things. I need you to be the owner of the home, and I need it to be off market, not listed with a real estate agent. Why work with me? Well, I'm local. I'm right here in Jacksonville. I'm not out of state. I'm not out of the country. I know this market extremely well. And you'll be supporting a local business. I even have 5-star reviews on my Google, 5-star Better Business Bureau reviews. People love working with me. You can check them out yourself on my website. I also use reputable title companies, reputable attorneys, all here in Jacksonville to close the transaction. These all come at no cost to you. So if you have a tricky closing like a probate, tax lien, pre-foreclosure, I'll handle it all. I have great resources to handle these tricky closings. So if you own a home here in the Jacksonville market, you're looking to sell before the market continues to go down, give me a call, send your information over in the link. I'd love to earn the opportunity to work with you. This is a no obligation offer. So if we decide we're not a good fit for each other, that's perfectly fine. What I'm willing to do is even help you get to where you need to be to figure out a way to sell your home if I can't work with you. I have tons of ideas. I have a lot of resources. I would just love to see how I can help you. So go right ahead, submit your information. We'll hop on a quick phone call. We'll see if we're a good fit. And that's it. If you made it this far in a video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I cannot wait to work with you. Take care.